In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to journal on Google Docs. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable system you can use every day to capture your thoughts and keep them organized. Start by opening Google Docs and creating a blank document. Give it a clear, memorable name so you can find it quickly later, something like My Journal 2026 or Daily Journal. A consistent title makes it easy to search in your drive and helps you build a habit around the same file. Each time you add an entry, begin with the date at the top. Under the date, use a simple structure to guide your writing. For example, write a line that starts with "Today I felt," then a short section called "What happened was," and finish with "My thoughts," where you jot down a few brief reflections. Keeping the format consistent removes decision fatigue and makes it easier to notice patterns over time. Using the date every time also means you can search for entries later with just a month or a specific day. To keep the document tidy and easy to navigate, turn each date into a heading. Highlight the date, open the Styles menu where it says Normal Text, and change it to Heading 2. This instantly organizes your journal and enables the outline panel on the left so you can jump between entries without scrolling through the entire file. You can choose to keep everything in one document for the whole year, which is the recommended approach for simplicity and an at-a-glance timeline. Just add a new date each time and keep writing underneath. Or if you prefer, create a separate document for each entry or each day. That makes individual entries easy to isolate, but it can be harder to track themes across time. Make your journal feel like yours. Adjust fonts and colors for readability and mood. Sprinkle in emojis if they help express your feelings, and insert images or screenshots to capture moments visually. If you want a different vibe, change the page color by going to File, then Page Setup. Whenever you need to find something, use the built-in search. Press Ctrl plus F on Windows or Command plus F on a Mac, then type a keyword, a mood, an event, or a person's name to jump straight to relevant entries. Finally, keep your journal private. Open the Share settings and make sure it's set to Restricted so only you can access it unless you choose to share. A simple routine to follow is date, feelings, what happened, then reflection. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough to build a meaningful, consistent journaling practice.